my channel. Excuse my face, I just got out of the shower and I had makeup, so I still need to wash my face and do all of that fun stuff. But today I am here to give you a review of Rizos Curls. And let me show you what it comes with. This is the hydrating shampoo and the conditioner. As you can see, it comes with olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil, and it is no sulfate, silicone, and parabens free. So I already washed and conditioned my hair. I do add this with my favorite gel, which is Widad. This is a gel I use. I do combine it because I feel like it gives it extra hold. This gel, sorry, it's not gel, it's a curl defining cream. So when you add this to your hair, to me, it doesn't give me that hold that I would like. So I have already applied this on my hair. So this is how I apply it. I rake it through and I add my favorite gel. So I just apply it and scrunch. Okay, so now I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then I will come back to show you results. So I just blow dried my hair. It's 90% dry. This is what as you can see, I do have a little bit of frizz, but I don't mind it. And I did do the part on this side. I might continue to blow dry. This is what it looks like. These are the results from Rizos Curls. And I can still feel that it's wet in here, so let me continue blow drying and I'll be right back. My hair is completely dry. So now let's go ahead and style my hair and let's do the messy bun, the messy curly bun. So this is how you style it. Okay, you're gonna grab a scrunchie. I choose black because it matches, blends with my hair. You will need lots and lots of these bobby pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab all my hair. So here's a trick. When you're grabbing your hair up, do not pull it so hard. Don't stretch out your hair. Just do it as lightly as you can, and if your curls fall, just let them fall into place. This is like a more, I know it's lazy, but you kind of have to put some effort into it. Okay, so start pulling out hairs if you like how it looks. I'm gonna put this up. Let's see, just like this. Too long. Pull it up. Okay. See, this is cute right there. Let's see if we can. Wait. Okay, so now, see how I'm holding it up like this? I'm not stretching out my hair. I'm just softly grabbing it all like this. And now that I have it like this, we're going to grab our scrunchie and we're gonna go once and go twice. Now, here's the trick. I like to have my bun towards the front, not really my crown area. I think this is your crown. So it's not tight at all. Now what you're gonna do is start pinning. Mess with your bun, see if you like it. This is how I like mine. Let's just start pinning. And you see the rest of this hair? You're gonna pull it up like so and fix your bangs. Some of my curls do not, see how this one's all like wonky, it's not as curly. We're gonna hide that one and put it up there and pin it. Like I said, my hair is frizzy, I don't mind it. Let's see, I like how it looks now actually. This is a little bit too loose. And pin it there. Like that. And separate these. I like these to be up here. Just pin it there. And once you pin it, you can pull them down like so. This one and this one, separate these. And that's how it's done. Curly, messy bun. Like these. And if you like your curls, start pulling some out. Not just leave it like this. And there you have it, guys. This is how I style my hair when I do the curly, messy, or lazy bun. Thank you guys for watching my channel. See you soon.